Morning, backyarders. It's just after 5 o'clock on Saturday. I seasoned my Oklahoma Joes yesterday. It's a Bronco and getting it ready to put a pork butt on. I'm going to let it get to temp, obviously. I wasn't expecting it to be up this early, but the Perfect Q barbecue team decided that it was time to get up. So we're going to let that get temp and we'll put the pork butt on. Just over 200 degrees. Look at how it's rolling smoke. Yes, I'm a wimp. I'm indoors. I'm in my solarium. At least my barbecue team that woke me up is also up. Of course, they're eating breakfast. But anyway, next video is going to be putting the butt on. Alrighty, guys. You can see we're right at that 275 where I want to be. So we're going to put this baby on. A lot of guys say bad boy. Maybe I should say put this bad boy on. Alrighty, guys, on this one I did do a voiceover from the original video. In the original I talked about the numbers and how I wasn't sure which way is which. I don't really think that matters. Just where I'm pointing there, you can see how it's only open a certain amount. You do that to adjust your airflow. That's your vent, and up there is the exhaust. And you'll figure it out as you do cooks on these bad boys. Laugh out loud. Alrighty, guys, in this section here, I'm showing you the update. You're going to see the pork butt. Kind of forgot about it. Oh, nice finger. Kind of forgot about it earlier on, so the temp did drop to 200, a little under 250 degrees. Still okay with the cook and everything. I think we're going to be just fine. Vents are open up a little bit. The exhaust is chugging away, as you can see. And look at the color on that thing. That's pretty awesome. I can't wait till I can shred it later. We're still at 250, which is okay. I'm going to grab my thermometer. I know everybody says, oh, we don't use thermometers. That's the biggest line of crap I've ever heard. But this is going through like butter. You know, 200 plus. I'm going to leave it on here just a few more minutes, but this thing is... Oh, yeah. Yeah. So we're going to leave it on here just 10-15 more minutes, and then we'll let it rest, and then we will shred it. All right, this clip of the video, I'm showing the bone pull. I've got it grabbing with my right hand. I've got kind of a thermal glove underneath my latex glove. I was holding the camera at the same time doing this. I probably should have got my tripod out. I have one. Anyway, the juice underneath, I just pull it, shred it all together. You're going to see in the next clip what it looks like finished. But 7-hour cook, again, 203 degrees. Extremely happy with it. The hand gestures probably don't make as much sense now with the voiceover, but is what it is. Alrighty, guys, some final thoughts. This is the product, or pork butt shredded. Protein, some people call it. Guess it is protein, but shredded up really nice. What I had said in the original clip, I showed you the gloves that I'd used earlier. I left the fat cap on and I shredded it all together, and I'm going to grab it here in a minute with my hand to talk about that. I like that as flavor. I love eating it. I really, really like pulled pork, and my family does as well. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, Perfect Barbecue Cooking Channel. Thanks for watching.